some says that ano daw murag
Mawala
ng library, wala na siya pulos, but no, it's not really, because we can really make our library into hybrid one.
Usa ka malipayon og malinawon nga adlaw misnon. Welcome sa atong programa nga maghatag katin-awan og kamatuoran sa mga isyu o kalihukan dinhi sa probinsya sa Misamis Oriental. Welcome sa Kapitalks. Karong adlaw ang atong hisgutan ang function sa atong Provincial Library. Og makauban nato karon ang head niini nga si Ma'am Richel Pajara. Ma'am, thank you kaayo sa paghatag og oras sa Kapitalks og welcome diri sa ato ang Provincial Information Office. Daghan kami gusto ma-learn sa ato ang Provincial Library. First, ma'am, gano sa ba na natukod? Gano sa ba nag-exist ang atong Provincial Library?
Actually, ang atong Provincial Library building is a newly constructed library building. To those who visited the library before, ang atong library actually, Ma'am Jo, is located siya under the basement of the provincial capital, so which is not an ideal place for a library. So we are very blessed because we were able to got a budget allocation from the national. So aduna na kitay new na provincial library building. So gikan sa basement nahimo siya og 3-story library building, di ba? So just recently, way back 2025, I think that was August, we transferred to the new library building, and we have different services in our library.
So unsa nga mga services, ma'am, ang gina-cater sa atong provincial library?
Okay, so Misamis Oriental Provincial Library, Ma'am Jo, no, it's a public library. So it's different from a school library, different from academic library, or a special library. So when we say public library, it means it's open for everyone. So our clients are the general public. So open siya sa tanan, estudyante, parents, trabahante sa Kapitolyo, or even mga vendors, no, pwede makasulod sa ato ang provincial library. So our services are, of course, we have services for the children. We also have e-government services, and then we also have services for PWDs, senior citizens. So kasagara, especially mga senior citizen, they really love to read newspapers. So pwede gid kaayo sila magbasa sa newspapers, magazines, and we also have free use of computers in the library. And then we also cater kato kung gi-mention e-government services. So to those na walay computer sa ilahang panimalay and gusto sila magamit og computer with free Wi-Fi connection, no? So, pwede kaayo mi maka-assist sa ato ang client. Then, aside from that, Ma'am Jo, we also have collection about thesis and dissertations for researchers and students. So, ubay-ubay, no, murag, it's really nice na we can really give a lot of services sa atong library karon.
Ma'am, since 3-story siya, unsa ba yung arrangement sa books? Like, category, age, ana?
Yeah. So, for our 3-story library building, so sa ground floor, we have their children's corner. So makita dadto ang mga books about children's, mga toys na pwede magamit sa mga bata. So we also have a little playground para pwede sila magdula dadto. And then, besides sa atong children corner, we also have a reading space So that's intended for our senior citizens and PWD para di na sila musaka sa taas.
Yes, sakto.
So we also have there our information. So kung gusto sila na sila pangutana about library services or mga collections, they can ask our information area. So sa second floor, Ma'am Jo, we have there our circulation area. So when we say circulation, those are collections authored by foreign authors. We also have their Filipiniana collections. Filipiniana collections naman are authored by Filipino and published in the Philippines. Reference sections naman, more on encyclopedia, almanac, muna siya mga collection. So that's for the second floor. We have also there a reading area for the students. And naapod sa second floor, Ma'am Jo, ang atong free use of computers for the client. And for the third floor, we have there a thesis and dissertation collections. And to those who really wanted to read books alone na amang gyud, di ba? Kanang gusto sila mag-study, ako ra dapat kay mas mo-sink in sa akuan na ako ra magtuon. So dadto sila, pwede sila dadto for reading and the thesis and dissertations as well na adto na collection. So as of now, our library building is not yet really done kay kamulo pa mampud na siya kay we will be having actually there at the third floor conference area. That's the plan, Ma'am Jo, not yet functional, but it's a conference area where you can also be able to use that facility sooner, or any organization can have their meetings or do a seminar, trainings. Pwede kaayo dito sa library. So those are some services in the library po.
Sa direction ni Governor Juliet, so unsa ang iyang kamanduan sa imuha?
We're so grateful actually, ma'am, because when I first met Governor Juliet Uy, di ba? Iya magyong giabi-abi tanan empleyado. So kami gyud sa opisina sa library dito sa iyang office. We really presented to her the services of the library. And then she added some of the kanang services that she wanted to have. Example, mas strengthen ang sa kids area, magbutang pod og kanang more on related into business, such as if we can put up a cafe. Yeah, so kana siya future na plans na mention ni Gov
Para ma-improve.
Yes. Para pod kuan man gyud ta, we are observing that digitalization is very rampant nowadays and paspas kayo ang development, and then some says that murag mawala ng library, wala na siya pulos, but no, it's not really, because we can really make our library into hybrid one. So when we say hybrid, we can also compete with the digitalization services. So kana ang mando ni Gov, gusto siya na we also compete with other services. Kung paspas ang digitalization, we also have a digital resources as well. Yeah.
Ma'am, sa literacy, so kuan man gyud kay si Gov kanang mga literacy programs about sa children, unsay target ninyo nga ma-increase ang literacy rate labi na sa batang ni sa misnon?
Yeah. Currently, ma'am, we have this program which is sugdan na namo na siya next week. We have the summer reading program. So sayod man kita na summer karon. So we are really inviting our kids to join the program, no, kay para mas mapalambo ang ilahang thinking skills and also as well the social skills sa mga bata. So we have that kind of program na mag-learning session mi sa mga bata, tudluan sila o read. And we also have a film viewing activity for the kids para mas mo-widen pa ang ilahang imagination. So that's part of increasing our literacy rate in the province of Misamis Oriental. Then aside from that, ma'am, we are not limiting our services inside the library. So some may think na kanang naara diya ang library. We can go from to a far-flung areas. So we can do storytelling, and then we can also serve children. And as what I told you kanina, katong we are open for the general public.
Yes.
So not only children, but we can also give services to our youth. Something like that, Ma'am Jo.
Ma'am, katong interested nga mobisita sa inyong library or mo-avail sa summer program, unsay mga digital numbers or Facebook page baka nga pwede nila bisitahon?
They can visit our Facebook page. It's Misamis Oriental Provincial Library. They can message, and then we also have a post there where they can register their kids or pamangkin, apo, so that they can also enjoy the summer. And then what's nicer, ako na lang i-inform in advance because we will be having the culmination day sa SMCT CDO downtown. That's also a collaboration with the Mindanao Book Fair. So, it's a nice siya na venue, and then parang social, di ba? Bognaw kaayo. So despite of the challenges of the province, we were able to look for other ways and means para mas mapatsada nato ang atong programa. So we're so excited na daghan ang mo-join sa ato ang summer reading program.
Ma'am, naatay mga katawhan sa Miss Or nga naay pangutana para sa imo. So
Unsaon ninyo pagkumbinsi ang tao nga mosulod sa library karon sa panahon nga digital na tanan?
Okay, so unsaon ako pag-convince?
Yes.
So, actually, daghan man taog ways on how we can attract people to visit our library. So, isa ana is to make our library more active, and then mag-conduct og daghan ng mga activities, and then i-strengthen pod namo ang amo ang promotional activities, di ba? Kay we are more on social media man gyud. So we always advertise our services in the library. And then aside from that, digitalization is very kuan naman gyud, paspas iyang development. So we also develop our services in the library. So kung mubisita sila sa library na ami free wifi, di ba? So pwede kaayo mga students na dili sila maka-afford sa pag-load, pwede ra sila moadto sa library kay free na baya na. So they can stay in the library, do research or watch informational videos like that. So libre kaayo na, walay bayad, di kita mga
walay paninginlon.
Yes, very free. So, dili man sad na akong ginadoubt ang digitalization or information online, but some of the information online, Ma'am Jo, are dili gyud siya tanan kanang tinuod, kanang dili nato ma-verify na kanang legit baka ni siya na information. But when you visit the library, I can assure you that the information inside the library are true and legit, og naagid siya legitimacy ba ang term ana? Oo. So walay halo na mga misinformation.
Publish na siya.
Yes. So kana siya naagid tay mga author, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Ma'am, naay second question.
Okay.
Unsay solusyon ninyo or programa para sa mga gusto mo basa og libro pero naa sa layo nga party sa Misamis Oriental?
So, unsay solusyon ninyo or programa para sa gusto mubasa og libro pero naa sa layo nga parte sa Misamis Oriental? Dako gyapon og how can I term it?
Challenge?
Bili? No, usefulness ang digitalization.
Yes, it's
Because we can also connect with other clients or katong gusto mo get sa service.
Mo-avail.
Mo-avail. Yeah, that's the best term. So, sa katong gusto mo avail sa library services, and then dili sila dool kay naamang gid ta dinhi sa provincial capital. They can always message our Facebook page if naa sila gusto na libro na i-borrow or i-use. Pwede ra sila mag-message sa ato ang Facebook page, and then we will check if we have that kind of collection. And if wala pud siya sa amo ang collection, is we look for other subject na more related on the
alternative
topic na ilahang gusto. Then aside from pud ana ma'am, is we have this book mobile. So we can visit different barangays to conduct a library services. And then in connection with panaghiusang pasalamat, we also coordinated with our admin's office. Karong umaabot pod na activity for panag-iihusang salamat, part na sa library. So with that, we will be having an opportunity to give services to the chosen barangays na kung asa manggali ang atong maadtuan.
Na ba may close or contact or direct nga pag-work together with ECCD? Since gastorya matag kids man ang involved with ani.
We collaborate sometimes, ma'am. Kanang Children's Month.
Yes.
So we also collaborate each other pag naay mga services pod na dal-on namo dito sa barangay. So si library will do this, and then ECCD will do this also. So we also have collaboration with that.
Ma'am, lastly, rules and regulation. Ang nabalaan gid nato basta library kay quiet yun. Dili gid pwede istrikta pag si librarian. Unsa man ang rules and regulation ana sa provincial library?
Kanang kuan lahi ng library karon. We are more on modern library. So there's a place for a discussion area. There's also a place, a quiet area. So, mutong we have a space for katong study alone area. So, pwede sila dadto. So, we really allow discussions inside the library. Kay, mao man gyud na ang time na murag dadto mo mag-discuss, and then mas magka-interact bitaw mo with your classmates or with your co-workers. Kay kung maghilom ra, bagting dayon.
Ano yun?
O saon na. Then maldita do ang librarian. Dili, uy, gwapa mga librarian.
Pila ba kabok librarian, ma'am?
We have 4 registered librarians. And then we have a 4 also paraprofessionals. So, dili pud basta-basta kung naa ka sa library, because you also need to become a librarian kay mag-agi pa magyud taog kanang PRC, manginana. So 4 po mi ma'am, and ako lang pong i-inform na we also have a public libraries in Misamis Oriental. Dili lang si Misamis Oriental Provincial Library. We also have municipal libraries and city libraries. So isa ana ang Villanueva na sila'y municipal library, Balingasag na ay library, Hingoog City Library na apod, Tagulwan, and Lagonglong. And some also na apoy Barangay Reading Center. Though dili tanan ang naa, but we are so happy na at least na ay reading centers ang Misamis Oriental. So hinay-hinay we will work on that sooner or later, basin tanan na munisipyo, di ba, with the support of Gov, naanay mga libraries for the community.
Last na lang, ma'am. Kato yung gingon nga borrow og books? Is it allowed? Is it possible?
Yeah. Tong guidelines or policies na mo inside the library. I've mentioned na open man ta sa tanan. So they are allowed to use the library facilities, study, and then when it comes to reading books, they also allowed to read books, different kind of collections. But sa borrowing naman, nalang tayo some limitation because we cannot, wala tayo basis kung unsaon na to pangita ang isa ka person
Correct.
kung mag-borrow sila og books. So, ang AMUA is they really need to have a guarantor na connected to the provincial government of Misamis
okay.
Oriental. So, for example, if you have a pag-umangkon, so, ba kay guarantor, si Ma'am Joanne ang i-guarantor. So, if in case Ma'am Jo, dili niya ibalik,
Salary deduction.
ikaw may contact, ma'am, palihog ko.
Okay. So, lagi po, no, sa safety po sa itong mga
Yes.
books.
Kay gina-purchase ba yan ato atong mga books inside the library. So, to protect also the collection in the library. But inside reading is very free. So, in terms of borrowing naman, naalang gyud tay gina-follow na guidelines with that.
Tapos, i-take care lang yun nila nga dili
Yes.
magisi
Yes.
kung magbasa sa library.
Pero kung capital employees, there's no problem. Pwede ra mo mag-borrow og maximum of 3 books.
Okay.
And then, 5 days ang pinaka-maximum allowable for the borrowing of the library materials. So, after that, hahanapin ka na namin.
Hipa, hindi. Wala. Thank you kayo, ma'am, sa imong time nga gihatag. At least, nakabalo na ang mga misamis no nga naday tay
Yes.
library. O dili lang diri sa Provincial Library pat naapod sa laing lugar. So katong mga taga Misamis Oriental nga gusto i-avail, labaw na karon nga summer, palihog na lang kog contact sa Provincial Library nga Facebook page para ma-accommodate ang inyong mga requests.
So, thank you, Sal. Thank you, Ma'am Jo.
Mga misamis nun, daghan kayong salamat sa pagtutok sa atong programa karong adlaw. Unta na akamoy nakuha nga pagtulunan gikan sa atong nahisgutan kabahin sa Provincial Library. At ang iyang sunod nga episode sa atong programa nga maghatag katin-awan sa mga isyu o hisgutanan sa probinsya. Ako si Joanne Tabique o kini ang Kapitalks.